Yes, sir. Yes,
Latecomers are not allowed in our class. Hmm? One student affected his attendance. Hmm? I'm not going to record his attendance. As the problem given to all of you, students wrote this problem in your notebook. Hello,
okay.
the problem is available with all of you. Problem is there. Is the problem is
Yes,
in
sir.
your notebook? Hello, is the problem is wrote down in your notebook? Shubham,
Yes, sir.
do you have you wrote problem in your notebook?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall we proceed? Okay. As per the primary summary given below, तुला असं का करतं मला समजत नाहीये. मी बंद करेल लेक्चर हा मग आवाज जर मधूनच आला तर. एकदा सांगितले अनम्यूट असा तुम्ही पण डिस्टर्बन्स होणार नाही याची काळजी घ्या. का असं वागतायत मला समजत नाहीये. आपण लेक्चर रेकॉर्ड करतोय. हा? आकाश किती वेळा म्यूट करायचं मी? ठीक.
सर माझ्याकडे आवाज नाही.
हा? काय नाहीये बेटा?
माझ्याकडे आवाज नाही सर.
अरे पण
आवाज
ठीक आहे. मला इथे समजतंय कुणाच्या मोबाईलचा आवाज आहे तो. इथे लगेच व्हायब्रेट होतंय. एवढी काळजी घ्या.
येस सर.
Okay. As per primary distribution summary given to you, the closing balances of primary distribution is here. Production department A 13,800, production department B 21,500, production department आकाश लोखंडे, अरे तुला म्यूट कर बेटा तू. आता अनम्यूट होऊ नकोस तू. मी अलाउ करणार नाही लेट कमर्सला. त्यांच्यामुळे डिस्टर्ब होते सगळा. सर्व्हिस डिपार्टमेंट X 6,000 and service department Y 5,000. As per the primary distribution summary given to you, you have to redistribute the cost of service departments X and Y to production department A, B, and C. While distributing the cost of service departments, you need to reapportion the cost of service department to production departments and other service departments. For example, you have to distribute the cost of service department X. You need to reapportion the cost of service department X to production department A, B, C, and service department Y. Means the B part of reapportion method is applicable here. Which one? B part? B part is reapportionment to production and other service department. As I explained you. Okay. At first, we have to reapportion the cost of service department X, which is 6,000. Okay. I wrote here service department X in particular column. Okay. Then what will be the ratio of service department X? As per the percentage basis given to you, Yes. What will be the ratio? Yes. Do you have problem in your notebook?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then what will be the ratio? Percentage.
3 has, 4 has, 2 has, dash has 1.
Okay. 3 has 2. Yes. 4 मला खूप मोठा प्रश्न पडतो, तुम्हाला मराठी भाषा समजत नाही की काय? प्रीती खालकर, ऐकतेस का तू? अजूनही म्यूट नाहीयेस तू. तुझ्या आजूबाजूला जर आवाज होतोय तर तू स्वतःला म्यूट केलं पाहिजे ना. क्लास का डिस्टर्ब करतेस तू? Okay. The ratio is 3 has to 4 has to. Yes. Next. 2 has to dash has to 1. Okay. आवाज कमी सर्विस डिपार्टमेंट X ratio is 3 has to 4 has to 2 has to dash has to 1, isn't it? Okay, we need to reapportion the cost of service department X, which is rupees 6,000. Okay, I am going to distribute the cost of service department X. Cost is 6,000. Okay, in which ratio? In the given ratio, am I audible to all of you? No one is responding to me. Yes, Shubham, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, your voice is not audible, huh? Okay, I will mute all of you. Okay, who is Deepika Desle?
Yes, sir.
Mute yourself. Okay, I'm going to mute all of you. Okay. Okay, ratio is 3 has to 4 has to 2 has to 1, and then rupees 6,000 has to be reapportioned in various departments including production and service department. 6,000 divided by 6,000 divided by, what is the total of ratio? That is 10. Answer is 600, right? 600 is one part. 600 into you need not to write the cost of service department X in total column. Okay, as I told you in yesterday's lecture. Okay, you need to write only reapportion cost in particular department. 600 into 3 is equal to 1800, isn't it? Then 6000 into 4, 2400. Okay, then 600 into 2, 1200, and then 600 into 1 is equal to 600. Okay, by apportioning the cost of survey department X, the survey department's account is closed. Okay, then we will write here nil. Total is nil. 6000 minus 6000. Okay, then the balance of survey department Y is now 5600. Okay, okay, opening balance was 5000 and the apportioned amount 600 is added in survey department Y. Then the balance of survey department Y became 5600. Okay, you need to reapportion the cost of survey department Y. The amount is 5600. Okay, then here is the title survey department Y. Okay, 5600 is the amount of survey department Y which is to be apportioned in remaining departments including production department A, B and C. Okay, see. Survey department Y ratio of survey department Y is percentage is given as 10%, 20%, 50%, 20% and dash. Okay, 10% means 1 has to, 20% means 2 has to, 50% means 5 has to, 2 has to dash. Okay, 2 has to dash. Okay, the cost of survey department Y which is 5600 is to be reapportioned in remaining departments. Hence 5600 divided by what is the total of ratio? 3, 8, 2, 10. Okay, 5600 divided by 10 is equal to 560. Okay, 560 into 1, 560. Then 560 into 2, 1120. Then 560 into 5, 2800. Then 5560 into 2, 1120. Okay, the cost of survey department Y is reapportioned in production and survey departments, other survey departments. Okay, now what happened? The account of survey department Y is closed here. Okay, then you have to write here nil. Why? Because okay, because full amount of survey department Y is reapportioned in production and survey departments. Okay, what happened here? At last time, survey department account is closed by 6000, but the amount reapportioned by Service Department Y open the Service Department X by rupees 1120. Okay, then you have to write total here. Okay, what is the total of Service Department X? 1120. Okay, now you have to reapportion the cost of Service Department X, which is 1120. You need to write here Service Department X. Okay, then you have to reapportion the cost of Service Department X, which is 1120. Okay, okay, then what will be the result? 1120 minus 1120, balance will be nil. Okay, okay. What is the ratio? In which ratio you have to reapportion the cost of Service Department X?